I've been seeing the poor man's Oyster Rockefeller around. So I decided it's time for me to veganize an Oyster Rockefeller. And let me tell you, this exceeded my expectations. So good. Oh my God, it was delicious. So you start with white button mushrooms. Use this one because they're nice and sturdy, but don't cut it too thin. Only about 3 pieces per mushroom if you have good sized mushrooms. Big chunky pieces of mushrooms. Then put it in some salt water for about 10 minutes. Drain that out and lay it on a cookie sheet. Then add some nori sheets and some garlic. I did that. I blended that together and I added that over the mushrooms that I put in olive oil. So you want to slather that seasoning all around and also some Creole seasoning. Then inside the oven for about 20-25 minutes until they look nice and golden like this, and save that juice reserved because that mushroom juice is so good. Meanwhile, we're going to prepare the next part of our Oyster Rockefeller. So a little vegan butter, some jalapenos, some spinach, some garlic in a pan. Saute that with some cashew cream and a little vegan cream cheese and a little vegan mozzarella. Then melt that all down and then cover that on top of your mushrooms. Now your mushrooms are what's going to act as your oysters. And then go ahead and top it with a panko, a little more vegan butter, and a little bit of vegan Parmesan, and then into the oven for about 25 minutes. And it was so delicious. I mean, really.